Hey guys, Filmoments here. In this video, I will show you how to fix screen record option missing on your Mac. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. Now to open the built-in screen recorder on your Mac, you just have to press the Shift plus Command plus 5 on your keyboard in order to launch the screenshot and recording toolbar. However, if this is not working, you can do this instead. Open the Spotlight by pressing the Command plus spacebar. Then search for the QuickTime player. And then open the QuickTime player. You will know that the QuickTime player is open when you see it in your dock. Now up here, beside the QuickTime player name, click on File, and then New Screen Recording. After that, you will see the screenshot and screen recording toolbar in here. And just like that, you can now start screen recording. You'll know that the recording is in progress when you see this small circle up here. When you want to stop the recording, all you have to do is click the circle up here to stop the recording. So that's it for this tutorial. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe. That will be a big help for us to create more videos like this in the future. Until next time, peace out.